Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Cars and Craftsmen. Today we're going to be tackling making a little charging, I have my charging station right back here, as you can see. So I'm going to make a little area here to keep all the batteries. That way all my extra batteries can be kept here, along with all the chargers, and everything will be in one spot. I might make a little cubby area for some drill bits and driver bits underneath of that, just so it's kind of like all the drill parts kept together. So let's go ahead and kind of sketch out a quick little drawing, and then we'll get to making it. All right, so this is kind of what I'm thinking. I know that my restraints for the side of the cabinet are going to be 13 inches tall and 10.5 inches wide. So we're going to have that box. Then I want to make the bottom shelf 3.5 inches up. That's going to be where the bits and the driver bits are going to be kept. Then another 4.5 inches up. I took the height of the batteries to make sure that they will fit into that little cubby hole. And then the rest will be whatever's remaining of that 13 inches. So we'll just leave the top blank. So I'm going to build a back part, and then I'm going to build two side walls and then the cross shelves. The side walls are going to come out 5.5 inches, and then obviously go up to 13, which is the same as this height here. We're going to need two of those. I'm going to kind of put a taper on it at the top just to kind of tie it back in. So that's the basic premise of what we're going to make. Let's go ahead and get started on it.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead.
Alright, so now I got the two side pieces cut. Now I'm going to I put the blade so that it's a little bit less than half of the depth of this 1/2 inch plywood. And I'm going to come over 3.5 inches here, because I want the first shelf to be 3.5 inches up. I'm going to run a couple cuts here to make a dado in here. That way I can easily align the shelves. Then I'll go up another 4.5 inches for the second shelf, and then the last one will just be the open top. So let's go ahead and make some dado cuts here.
Don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, they all day, oh, dancing, oh, day, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, they all day, oh, dancing, stay down to the dancing, 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 they all dancing, dancing,
So I don't really want this to turn out super square, so I think what I'm going to do is come up an inch over here and then come in an inch at the top, and then just kind of make a diagonal cut just so that it's not so boxy at the top here, because the top's going to be open anyway. So let's mark, do this, we'll go off the two, come in an inch, then in an inch. Connect these two. And then we'll just cut this part off with the bandsaw. And we'll do the same thing over here. Let's go ahead and make these cuts on the bandsaw.
Stay down to the ground. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but
Alright, I did a light sanding on all this. I didn't film it because that's just boring. So let's go ahead and start the assembly process. We got all our pieces together here. So we'll put a little bit of wood glue on everything to hold together tight. I'm going to tack everything together with some brad nails, and then I might go back and put some screws in as well, just to firm it up.
because I believe I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, babe, oh, dancing, oh, babe, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, babe, oh, dancing. Stay down to the dancing, dancing, oh, dancing, 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 oh, dancing, oh, dancing, dancing, oh, 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 stay, oh, babe, oh, babe, oh, say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. Say, oh, I am a believer. Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know where I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. Hopefully you learned something by making this little storage compartment here. Like I said, we got all of our chargers here. Now we have a spot to keep all of our batteries, so they'll be right with the chargers. And then we even have a spot to keep some drill bits here so that we can have them accessible easily when we're doing something. So just a little upgrade to the shop here. Hopefully you learned something. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel. That way I can keep making some videos here, how to build things. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see me build next or any tool reviews, please leave a comment down below and I will definitely take that into consideration. Thanks for watching.
Stay down to the dancing.